Hello Numberblock fans! Today we're going to explore the new number blocks from 201 to 299, part 12, which is 234 to 236. Right, let's go to the first character. For the first character that we're going to build today is 234. Number block 234 has 200 peach blocks, 30 light yellow blocks, and 4 green blocks. Because 234 is 200 plus 30 plus 4. But also 234 is an even number, which means he has his own the own divisor, which means 2 lots of 156s. Well, 156 is made out of 12 lots of 13s, but 2 lots of 117. Sorry, not 156. Well, that's because 234 is a lucky number. Well, 234 is the 18th member of the Falling Apart Club. We can build 234 into 18 by 13, 13 by 18 rectangle formation. Well, but I cannot make it because the camera couldn't catch the 18 blocks wide. So that's why I built like that. Alright. Well, the 200 blocks are almost finished. Well, the numbers which can divide it by 39 should have a top hat, because the numbers which can divide by 39, I made my own signature, which is a top hat. If the unlucky numbers were the top hat, which means to represent the numbers which can divide by 39 with unlucky numbers. Unlucky numbers which can divide by 39. Well, also, the unlucky numbers should wear clovers. That's to represent the unlucky numbers are going to be lucky numbers. Like, they are all unlucky, but they have a way to make them lucky back, which is to wear a clover. Right, and then we add 30 light yellow blocks more to make 230. There. And then we add 4 green blocks to make 234. Phew, that's so tired. So then, let's attach the face stickers all together. So 234, well, you see, 234 has green features, such as green eyes, eyebrows, and the mouth. That's because to represent the 4 enders. Or we can also say 234 has 4 green blocks in a whole 234 blocks. Like this. He has rectangular eyes because he can make so many rectangles. It's a bit long, but that's okay. It's a bit long. Right, let's attach it. And also his mouth. And his clover, and he has times 18 on. This is to represent he's the 18th member of the Falling Apart Club. And we also got the top hat to represent the numbers which can divide by 39. And let's attach the number link, and then for the last is the number link. The number link is the most important to sign to know the name. So here's our number block 234. So the next character that we're going to build today is our number block 235. Alright. So 235 has 200 peach blocks, 30 light yellow blocks, and 5 light blue blocks. And 235 has 5 enders, which means 5 blue blocks. So which means I assume that 235 can divide by 5. That's it. Because 235 is made out of 5 lots of 47s, or 47 lots of 5s, and also 235 has a headphone to represent the numbers which can divide by 47. Because 235 is the 15th member of a prank club, and she loves to do something secret, like secret missions or making a disguising hush hush. Alright, we need to add the stickers. We need stickers. Well, 235 has blue features. And she also has star-shaped eye at the left. You know why? Because 235 is made out of 5 lots of 47s, or 47 lots of 5s. Well, the numbers which can be divided by 5, some case have star-shaped eye. I put star-shaped eye for the case which can be made out of 5 times prime number. For example, prime number 13, which is 5 times 13 is 65. So 65 should have a star-shaped eye. And 17 is also the prime number. Well, 17 is also the prime number, so 5 times 17 is 85. So 85 has the star-shaped eye. Well, let's use another prime number, 19. 19 is the prime number again, so 19 times 5. Well, the prime numbers which can be divided by 5, like 95, 85, 65, should have star-shaped eye. Well then, let's say the 235. Well, 235 is made out of 5 lots of 47s, which means 5 times prime number, because 47 is the prime number, but also being like the number of blocks which can be divided by 3. Like 3 times prime number, like 3 times 17. 17 is the prime number, right? So 3 times 17 is 51, so 51 should wear a crown. For the 3 times prime number is wearing a crown, and the 5 times prime number is star-shaped eye, just like this. And then we also need, oh my god, a headphone. Like this. Oh my god. Yes, like that. And then we attach the number link for the number block 235. Okay, here's our number block 235. For the last character that we're going to build today is our number block 236. So 236 is made out of 200 light peach blocks, 30 light yellow blocks, and 6 dark indigo blocks. So 236 is an even number, which means he can divide by 2. So he splits into 2 lots of 118s. And 118 is split into 2 lots of 59s. So we got 4 lots of 59s. Well, 59 is the prime number, so which means he is the 17th member of the prime club for number block 59. And 59 wears the scientist accessory because to represent the periodic table. You see, 2 lots of 59s are 118. And 118 has all of the periodic table. So which means the numbers which can be divided by 59 should be a painter and a scientist. So we made the scientist accessory with the paint splats. But we also got purple features. That's because 236 has 6 dark indigo blocks. Or we can also represent the 6 enders. And also we got 236 paint splats. That's because he is the 17th member of the prime club. And we also got the number which can be divided by 59 should have a clock. You know why do I say the numbers which can be divided by 59 has a clock? Because from the 0th second to the 59th second is equal 1 minute. So 1 minute has 60 seconds from 0 to 59. So that's why the numbers which can be divided by 59 should have paint splats, scientist accessory, and a clock. And we also got the painter's hat. The numbers which are the painters, 17s, or the 59s, or 139s, and so on, should wear painter's hat. And then for the last accessory, which is the clock. That's because to represent the number block 59, like this. I should put it at the middle. Alright, and that's all. And then we pop the number link onto there, 236. Here's our finish, 236, which is our last character. So this is all of the characters that we built today. So which character do you like the most? 234, 235, or 236? Please leave in the comments. So thank you for watching. If you want to see my new videos, make sure to subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon to see my new videos in the notifications. So see you again next time. Bye bye.